Hello, this is Carrie from Cookbook Divas, and after a year and a half of blogging about cookbooks, we finally got our first comped cookbook from Rizzoli. Thank you. We've been using the library a lot and buying cookbooks because we're addicted to shopping for them, but it's nice to get one in the mail because the publisher trusts you to do a good job reviewing it, so thank you very much. This is the Flour, Craft, Bakery, and Cafe Cookbook, inspired gluten-free recipes for breakfast, lunch, tea, and celebrations, by Heather Hardcastle. And Katie, my fellow cookbook diva, might also do a look-through of this because she is gluten-free because she has celiac disease. But I wanted to look through it too, so we were fighting over it, and luckily for me it was mailed to my house. So let's look through it. And I will share this with Katie, who I'm going to see tonight. Let's take a look. Table of contents. Tea time loaves. I love serving loaves at tea parties, which I host a lot, but usually in winter and autumn, not summer. Morning baked goods. Make-ahead breakfasts. Cookies. Bars. Casual cakes. Multi-layer cakes and icings. I haven't mastered those yet. Pies and tarts. Now, Katie's very good at making gluten-free pie, but it couldn't hurt for her to look through this. Toasts, specialty breads, and pizza. Brunch fare, tartines and light lunches. I love tartines. And master recipes. All right. Starting off, introduction. So far, so good. Nice photography, high quality paper. Tea time loaves. They offer a lemon drizzle cake. That would be the first one I make. Pistachio pound cake. That's inventive. I like that. Chocolate vanilla marbled pound cake. Cocoa nib cream, and a pumpkin walnut bread with cream cheese icing, which everyone's going to want to bake the minute it's like October 1st, right? Or some people start jumping into pumpkin spice season in August. I'm not saying who. Here's the lemon drizzle cake. Gorgeous. So we have recipes in both imperial and ounce or other measurements. Good. Metric, excuse me, maybe. I'm not sure. Yeah, nice. Or for people that are weighing it properly. Pistachio pancake, beautiful photograph. I can't show you all the pictures, so I'm just going to sneak ahead. Whoa, the chocolate and vanilla marbled pound cake has a lot of steps. That's too advanced for me because I'm too lazy and, frankly, busy. Okay, no picture of the cocoa nib cream, but we know what cream looks like. Pumpkin walnut bread with cream cheese icing. Yes, there's a picture. Yay! Okay, you know I like to have one for every. This is a beautiful chapter separator for the morning baked goods, a raspberry and almond scones, a cacao nib and walnut coffee cake, vegan banana muffins with chocolate chips, nice to have that, lemon and blueberry coffee cake, vegan baked donuts, and sourdough waffles. Let's look for a really good picture. Ooh, loving it so far. Okay. Ooh, what's this? This is the luscious iced cinnamon rolls. Whoa, those are not vegan, I'm guessing. Okay. Oh, donuts. I love donuts. This is beautiful. This is sourdough waffles. I didn't expect them to have eggs and arugula on them. That is beautiful. Whoa. See, this is kind of healthy. Okay, make-ahead breakfasts, such as baked oatmeal, chocolatey chia pudding. No, thank you. Coolest breakfast porridge. I love porridge. I could eat it every day. I don't get bored. Triple ginger buttermilk biscuits. Let's find a good picture. Ooh, here's the savory scones, or some people would say scones. Here is something pretty, okay. And vegan oatmeal raisin cookies. Somebody made a lot of them. Ooh, okay. Next is an entire chapter on bars, such as super lemony lemon bars. Vegan tahini and halva brownies. That sounds too healthy. Vegan fruit crumble bars, yum. Raspberry cheesecake bars with chocolate shortbread crust. It's nice that they added some vegan options in here. I really appreciate that. Now on to casual cakes. I didn't show you a bar picture, sorry. Orange polenta cake, bittersweet chocolate ganache, ricotta cake with strawberry rhubarb crumble, spicy gingerbread cake. Oh, look at this gorgeous photo. I have to show that to you. Nice. Okay. And a picture of some eggs. Multi-layer cakes and icings. Oh boy. Vanilla bean cream cheese icing, vegan buttercream, important to know, whipped chocolate ganache icing, chocolate chip banana cake. What do you mean by multi-layer? Oh, okay. Beautiful. Okay, is that okay? I have to show you this. Stunning. Imagine that at a summer outdoor garden party. Your guests would be like, whoa. Pies and tarts. Autumn is coming. Pistachio cream tart with raspberries, double crust apple pie, seasonal fruit galette, buttermilk, pumpkin pie, etc. Which picture should I... Oh, that is a seasonal fruit galette. I love galettes. They're very forgiving. You don't have to crimp the crust and make it look perfect. And you don't have that much crust, so it's a little healthier. Strawberry rhubarb crumble pie. Gorgeous. I have rhubarb growing in my garden. Toasts. Avocado toast, among other things. 2 kinds of avocado toast. Banana toast with homemade chocolate hazelnut spread. Here's it. We all know what avocado toast looks like. Okay. Specialty breads and pizza. We've all been waiting for this because who doesn't like pizza? Here is, sourdough bagels. Gluten-free. Nice. Individual brioche with chocolate and hazelnuts. Cute. This is a darling. This is a very nice cookbook. Hot cross buns. I don't just make them at Easter time. And I don't know what Bostock is. Roasted mushroom leek and Gruyere quiche. Did I end up in a new chapter? I did. Brunch fare. Excuse me. Here's a quiche with a gluten-free crust. Very important. I love throwing brunches. But better yet, I like going to them because then someone else has to cook or clean up. Vegetable frittata with herbs and smoked trout. I would substitute the trout for fake vegetarian sausage, but that's just me. Stone fruit, pistachio, and burrata salad. Imagine that in summer when you're too hot to cook. Perfect. Okay, what's the next chapter? Tartines and light lunches. And I see a whole bunch of roasted tomatoes. Yum. Okay. Beautiful. Bridgeway tartine with herb, cream cheese, shaved vegetables, and smoked salmon. And I have a mandolin. I can shave vegetables if I want to. Ooh. A Stinson tartine with brie, basil, and slow roasted tomatoes. I don't know what Stinson means, but that's good. Yellow tomatoes gazpacho. I would totally make that on a hot day. Creamy butternut squash soup with pear and ginger. Pear and ginger is a very common pairing, and I am horribly allergic to ginger, so I would have to pair it with something else. And you might think cinnamon. I'm also allergic to cinnamon. That's TMI, sorry. But I would have plain butternut squash soup with butter and pepper and salt, I guess. And master recipes such as sourdough starter, sourdough walnut loaves, savory scones, sweet pastry dough, savory pastry dough, and all-purpose vegan pastry dough. Wow, that was awesome. Enjoying it. Kind of sad that I have to pass it on to Katie. Thank you so much for watching this cookbook look through and review. You can see more of them on Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube at Cookbook Divas. We also have a blog with cookbook news, upcoming stuff. We have a cookbook news show, and we have a podcast for those of you that like listening to podcasts. Please subscribe. Don't forget to click like and comment so the social media algorithms will show you more of our posts and videos if you enjoy seeing them.